All right, so we just had dinner and we're gonna finish this thing up. We need to put new grips on it. We gotta get the throttle cable routed and working. We gotta get this new brake cable in there, put the seat back on. Kill switch, just all the little stuff. So, yeah, that's it. That's what's next. All right, first try. Okay, choke is, I believe, this way. Where's it that way? Is it this way?
I think it's that way.
Okay.
Pull back.
Gas on. On.
It's ready.
On. All right.
Here we go.
Try and pull it.
Oh, fuck.
See what it does. Bump it up against the wood stove. In case it wants to. It's not rolling the easiest. Okay. Give her a pull. Oh. Yeah, let's try and loosen up the brake a little bit. We need to adjust that throttle cable.
Yeah, it's a little loose. I can spin it like maybe a quarter inch before it even engages.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, you gotta pull that through a little bit. All right, so this thing is essentially done. We just got the battery adapter for a Milwaukee 18-volt battery. And we are gonna mount this somewhere on the bike to power the headlight. But other than that, this thing is ready to roll. We're gonna ride it in the morning. All right, good morning, everybody. We are back at it. We got just a couple of things to finish up. I'm working on welding this plate here for our battery adapter, which is right here. And a couple other small things, and then we'll be ready to take this thing for a test ride. So, we got our light all wired up, got our switch there. We don't have a battery here, but we can basically simulate a battery with our power probe. Here, take this. Headlight works. Just gotta slap a battery in there and it will be functional. I don't think it likes our jetting. Do with the stock jet. Oh, the other jet's right here. Right there, okay.
So
That's the aftermarket jet, yeah.
okay.
I think I got that on video. That thing took off.
That thing was ready to go.
What happened? The throttle stuck?
No.
Is it because I tightened that spring?
It's very possible.
Didn't I start it? Oh, I haven't started it
since you tightened it.
since I tightened the spring. Okay.
I see why you had me do it.
Yeah, you do it, Vince.
I even had the brake on.
Dude, that thing took off.
It
Okay.
wants to go.
Roll it back in there. All right, so we had some throttle issues with the governor, and as usual. Anyway, I made this throttle linkage right here. And all I did to do that, if you guys want more of a tutorial on this, I can talk about it more, but so this is the rod that goes from here normally up to the governor arm, which is up under here somewhere. Here's the governor arm. Oh, there it is. So that rod goes up to the governor arm, and then back here there's a spring that attaches to the throttle. So when you pull your throttle, you're really pulling on the governor arm, and then that in turn pulls on the throttle. So basically we bypassed that. I took this rod, I put a couple bends in it so that it comes up through here. I drilled a couple holes and try to kind of fine-tuned where I wanted it on the arm. And now it's basically, it's a direct throttle. It's kind of a short throttle, but it's gonna work perfectly. And now, when you have this all the way back, you see how the arm right there, it has the potential to pop out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a little bit of hot glue. Ooh, it's definitely hot. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of hot glue right here. I don't wanna actually get it on the arm itself. I just kinda want it to stop it from popping up out of that hole. I think that will do it. Yeah, that should do it. All right, now we're ready to try riding again. It's backwards. The throttle's backwards. This is how you don't do it.
Right. Make a note of it.
Yes.
A commentator note.
So, I forgot that the throttle linkage was... The cable was switched around, so it was pulling the throttle in the wrong direction. So now we got that sorted out. And we're going to give this thing another shot. Okay, let's try this again. Choke. Oh, let's turn gases on. All right, let's go for a ride.
Does it seem like it's not bogging out?
Feels perfect now. How's it feel?
It's fun.
Everything's feeling good?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, it's crazy.
How's that throttle feels? Okay?
It's short, but it's fun.
But it's not bad, right?
Nah,
yeah.
once you get going, I mean,
It's doable.
nice that I don't have to like crank it all the way back.
Yeah, you're just like,
Right there.
good to go.
Yeah.
Sweet.
She's golden.
I like it.
Love it. I guess.
Awesome. I'm super happy.
Yeah.
You're already just about as fast as I am, I think. I think I might have a little more top speed on you, but it's pretty quick.
Hell yeah.
What's up? Yeah. I like it.
And the mud flap, look at that. I barely have a mud flatter.
Yeah.
Compared to I would have been.
Oh yeah, you barely got anything.
I love
Dude,
it. I love
it's beautiful.
it. Yes.
I am thoroughly satisfied with this result. I love it. I was just barely faster than
And
you.
that thing's fast.
Yeah, that thing revs a lot higher than this, so I mean I was just barely. So that's good.
Oh, that's amazing.
It's great. It pulls good. It's got good power. It's great. It's great.
Yeah.
I'm super happy.
Love it.
So that's it for this one. I'd say the bike turned out great. We're super happy with it. Sure you guys are going to see it back on the channel again in the future. But thank you guys all for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.